lovers meet in Mayfair, so the legends tell. Songbirds sing, winter turns to spring. Every winding street in Mayfair falls beneath a spell. I know such enchantment can be, 'cause it happened one evening to me. How strange it was, how sweet and strange. There was never a dream to compare with that hazy, crazy night we met, when a nightingale sang in Berkley Square. This heart of mine beat loud and fast, like a merry-go-round in a fair. For we were dancing cheek to cheek, and a nightingale sang in Berkley Square. When the King's Street upon gold and blue, to interrupt our rendezvous, I still remember how you smiled and said, "Was that a dream, or was it true?" The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodnight, a nightingale sang in Berkley